Did you know a single mineral could impact everything from your muscle performance to your sleep quality, and that most people aren't getting nearly enough of it? That mineral is magnesium, and trust me, your body is begging for more. Hey everyone, I'm Ella Fit from the Health and Wellness team at Ubi Health. As one of the AI faces of Ubi's global network of over 1,200 medical providers, and backed by insights from more than 12 million users, I'm here to help you separate fact from fiction, especially when it comes to sports medicine, fitness, and conditioning. With so much misinformation floating around online, it's more important than ever to get doctor-approved info you can actually trust. So, let's dig into magnesium. This mighty mineral supports over 300 essential processes in your body. We're talking about regulating your heartbeat, helping muscles contract and relax, supporting nerve function, controlling blood sugar, balancing blood pressure, and even helping you sleep better. And as an athlete or someone living an active lifestyle, your magnesium needs might be even higher. I remember last year training someone for their first triathlon. Great runner, super disciplined, but no matter what they did, they kept struggling with leg cramps. We took a closer look at their intake, and bingo, magnesium was way low. After adjusting their diet to include more magnesium-rich foods, the cramps eased up in just a few weeks. Coincidence? Not really, just science doing its thing. Now, before you dive headfirst into supplements, listen to this. Your best source of magnesium is actually food. Whole, plant-based, nutrient-dense food. Let's break it down, doctor-approved style. Start with nuts and seeds. Almonds, cashews, chia seeds, flaxseed, pumpkin seeds, these tiny powerhouses are packed with magnesium. Just 1 ounce of pumpkin seeds gets you around 150 milligrams. Tip: I love tossing a mix into my smoothies or using them as a crunchy salad topper. Next, go for legumes. A half cup of black beans gives you 60 milligrams of magnesium, and edamame is not just fun to eat, it's a solid source too. I often recommend a black bean and quinoa bowl to clients as a recovery meal. Quinoa alone gives you 60 milligrams per half cup. Make it a habit and you're fueling your muscles with magnesium every bite. Dark leafy greens like spinach and Swiss chard deserve a daily spot on your plate. I personally saute spinach with garlic and olive oil. Simple, fast, and you're getting nearly 80 milligrams in just half a cup. Whole grains shouldn't be overlooked either. Go for steel-cut oats, shredded wheat, or brown rice. And don't forget sweet potatoes or a hearty baked potato with the skin on. B vitamins, fiber, potassium, and magnesium, your body will thank you. And yes, chocolate fans, here's the good news. Dark chocolate with at least 70% cocoa content contains around 64 milligrams of magnesium per ounce. Just keep it moderate. It's a treat, not a meal, okay? Here's a simple home remedy I often suggest to clients. A magnesium-rich smoothie. Blend banana, spinach, chia seeds, almond butter, and a splash of non-fat milk. It's a recovery drink that works overtime, hydrating, energizing, and feeding your muscles what they need to rebuild. Now you might be wondering, do I need a magnesium supplement? If you're concerned about a deficiency, talk with your doctor first. While supplements can help in some cases, taking too much can lead to unpleasant side effects like upset stomach, nausea, or diarrhea. Food first is always the best approach. So what's your take-home plan? Make these changes simple and sustainable. Eat 5 servings of fruits and veggies daily. Include whole grains at least 3 times per day. Snack on a small handful of nuts or seeds daily. Add legumes to your meals several times per week. Not only will this help meet your magnesium needs, but your entire body, including your mind, will feel the difference. Worried about your own health? Start by checking in with the Ubi Symptom Checker at ubihealth.com. Its medical-grade, doctor-approved AI is like having a full on-call healthcare team right in your pocket. Always 100% free. Don't forget to like and follow for more doctor-approved info you can trust. From Ubi Health and me, Ella Fit. Stay strong, stay informed, and I'll see you in the next one.